make Nigeria secure. Nigerian prisons are the reformers. We keep the society crime-free. And accommodate the rejected. So we wish you a Merry Christmas.
Nigeria immigration, we wish you Merry Christmas. We protect, control the immigrants to make Nigeria secure. And the alien, we wish you Merry Christmas. Eradication of trafficking drugs, reasserting nation's integrity.
Safer road full of lives. We wish you Merry Christmas. Safer road full of lives. Federal road safety corps say so.
The civil defense, we are wishing you a very Merry Christmas. With God on our side, we'll defend the defenseless. Joy to the whole world. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero la felicidad. We wanna wish you. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of our heart. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of our heart.
We shall do it's a Christmas time. All of them people, them are eat and dance, we celebrate. Hey, Jesus Christ, who rose from the dead from the Calvary. Same grace, we sharing every day. 2,000 years ago, he laid his life. Same grace, who must carry not alone. Thank you, Jehovah, for the work of the cross.
We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of our heart.
On behalf of the military and the paramilitary agencies, the Nigerian Army, the Nigerian Air Force, the Nigerian Navy, Nigerian Police, Nigerian Prison Service, the Nigerian Immigration Service, the Directorate of State Security, NDLEA, the Federal Road Safety Corps, the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, the Fire Service. We wish you Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. Thank you very much, and God bless Nigeria.